Efosmos. Sis Katya, salamat sa harang. Ayan, may free ASMR tayo, guys. Cutting vegetables. Now we are going to put... I think this is too much. You see, guys, this is a very big carrots. You see? I don't know, it's like 5 or 6 carrots, 1 kilo, guys. I think I think this is already 1 kilo. You see? But this is the biggest one. I don't know why the carrots are very big these days. Ayan. Sulit na sulit yung carrots, sis Katya. Sulit na sulit. Ayan. Ayan. May ASMR tayo. Yander, solo estoy cortando verduras para guardar en el congelador. I'm only cutting vegetables to keep in the freezer, guys. No, I won't cook this time. I am cutting vegetables to keep inside the freezer. Because this one I can use when I cook soup or when I cook rice or legumes, something like that. Chronic Gossiper, Inang, hello, salamat. Shoutout Lita Sata from Lorico. Shoutout Jander from Lorico. Ayan nga si Lori, matagal na si Jander, hindi po papasok sa mga LS. Ano daw, si Jander naoperahan. Sabi niya, kaya siguro naglaylo muna siya sa pag-support ba. Very supportive friend si Jander. Sis Katya, anong niluluto mo dyan? Ayan guys, puno na yung natin. Puno na. Ano pa lang yan? 1 kilo kasi yung 1 kilo yung celery. Malaki siya. I already cut 1 kilo of celery, guys. And then, now I am cutting carrots. Bose, congela. Sí, Jander. La voy a poner en el congelador. Ay, tinatanong ni guys, ni Jander, kung i-freezer ko daw yung mga gulay. Sí, Jander, la voy a poner en el congelador para que cuando necesito solo tengo que sacar. Para hacer sopa o arroz o legumbres. Guillermo Arias Dopacio. Mega love shout out. No, she's Sherry. I'm not going to cook this time. I am only cutting vegetables to keep in the freezer. We have leftover during lunch, so I think I am going to eat the leftover. And then my children, I don't know if they like, but anyway, we have some leftover in the fridge.